Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in a TEEHO electronic door lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to gather 4 new AA alkaline batteries. So once you have it, you just have to simply go to the inside portion of the door. So this is going to look something like this. So over here you need to locate the battery cover at the top of the interior assembly, and then you just have to simply slide, or you can also lift it off depending on your lock's model. So what this is going to do is it is going to basically expose the batteries. So these would be the batteries that you need to remove. So you need to take out all the 4 batteries from the battery compartment. Then you just have to simply insert those 4 AA alkaline batteries. After inserting the batteries, the lock should automatically power up, and you may also hear a beep and you will see the keypad illuminate briefly. So finally, you can just simply test both the keypad and the locking mechanism. So that's how you can basically replace the batteries. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.